to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a new hairstyle. I haven't tried this hairstyle before, but I wanted to do it because this week is Halloween and I'm dressing me and my girls up as some Dr. Seuss characters. So I kind of wanted to do my hair in the theme that looks like a Dr. Seuss hairstyle, but it's also cute, you know, and I can wear it, you know, just wear it. But I'm going to be doing a low, sleek, I'm not sure if it's called the Afro ponytail, the bubble ponytail, whatever you want to call it, but that's what I'm going to be doing today. So my hair is already washed and deep conditioned, as you guys know, and I already applied my leave-in in the shower, which you guys also know that I do. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome, and also hit the subscribe button so you can know anytime I post any videos and get those post notifications. But I'm going to be moisturizing my hair right now with the Beauty from the Roots Define Me Please pudding. I also did a review on this pudding in my last video. I'll link it down below. I did a twist out with this stuff and it's so moisturizing, you guys. If you guys did not catch that review, I'll go ahead and link it down below so you guys can watch. The definition and the moisture that I got from this pudding was amazing, but I want to use it because, like I said, I'm putting my hair in a protective style and I want to keep my hair moisturized. Then I'm also just going to be using the Wet Line Extreme Gel to sleek my ponytail down. You guys know I love this stuff when I'm doing any sleek styles. It gives like the best hold ever. So I'm not going to do a long intro today, but what I found that works best for me when I'm doing any low sleek ponytails is to work my hair and sleek it down in sections so I don't have any lumps or anything, and then I know that my hair is sleek and thoroughly detangled. So I'm just gonna fast forward and come back and show you guys when I start to apply the ponytail. Pudding. What I like to do is go in with an oldie but goodie, pump it up, spray, just to make sure my hair isn't going to go anywhere. I like to go ahead and spray just a little bit of that. You know, I gotta go mad crazy because the Wet Line Extreme definitely gives you some hold. This is just, I take it a little step further because my hair really likes to curl out of ponytails. And living in Florida, I like to make sure that I have some extra hold because of the humidity if I'm doing any sleek styles, but I don't use a lot. So now that we got that slicked down, I'm gonna go in with another oldie but goodie, paper strips. I like to use the black ones because to me they hold better than the white ones. So just to make sure that my hair stays laid. I mean, cause really, we didn't do all that work trying to slick this hair down in a ponytail for it not to hold. Then I just let those sit on there. And I'm gonna be using other people's hair. If you don't know, I don't really wear weave or anything, you know, often, but when I do, I always try to make sure that I get Marley hair or any kinky hair, anything like that. I don't use the Line or whatever it's called. I don't really like to use that because it doesn't match the texture of my hair the way that the Marley hair does, because you guys know the Line hair is more straight. Marley hair is more curly and kinky to match our hair, because I don't want my waves to be, you know, I don't want my curls to be all wavy and stuff, and then I got the weave looking all extra straight. That is definitely unrealistic. It doesn't look believable. I mean, if you're gonna wear weave, might as well wear the weave that looks like it's yours. Pack of that, I'm using the Jamaican twist braid hair, but you can use any kind of Marley hair that you choose to. I just had this already in my cabinet, so we're gonna use this on today. I did also use this hair when I did my hair for my wedding. Yes, I did do my hair for my own wedding. I will try to insert a picture somewhere here, but I showed you guys the hair and a couple of pictures on my Instagram, but I do have a video on my channel of doing a low sleek ponytail with just my hair, not using weave at all. So I'll also go ahead and link that in the description box if you guys want to check out my low sleek ponytail routine. Okay, so now you guys already know we're just gonna go ahead and connect this hair to the bun that we got back here. Go ahead and clip that right on there. And we're gonna bring the ponytail up top. But bring the ponytail up top. Make sure it's kind of draping over your bun. Take a bobby pin. And clip it on to the ponytail. And you can ensure that your ponytail isn't gonna go anywhere. Gather the hair, make sure it's over your bun. My bun is kind of large because I have a lot of hair, but you want to make sure that your hair is not seen. Take the rubber band and put it on to the hair one time. There's no way you're going to be able to double this. Pull the hair around to cover your bun in there. Okay, and then you're just gonna keep putting rubber bands on until you have your final look. This is the ponytail. Scrunch it. Space the rubber bands the way that you like. But let me show you guys the back. Ponytail is kind of long. Nice, sleek. Quick, sleek, easy hairstyle to do and cheap, you guys. That one pack of hair, I think it was like $6, and then you always got rubber bands, and then you can use whatever gel you prefer and whatever thing you use to moisturize your hair. Very quick, very easy hairstyle, very easy protective style. If you like to protect the style in the colder months. Different look, if you want to go for a different look. I really thought that this look would go with our Dr. Seuss themed Halloween, but I am really loving it, and I threw a little part, you know, in there so my hair just wouldn't be straight to the back. I just wanted to add something there, but you know, you can do this part however you prefer. I always do a side parts even when I'm doing my twist outs and wash and goes. That's just what I like. But if you guys like this quick easy tutorial for this low sleek afro or whatever ponytail, make sure you hit that like button at the bottom because it really helps me out, and subscribe to my channel, guys. We have fun over here. And also definitely make sure you follow me over on Instagram at naturally_fearless. That's it, you guys. See you later, boos.